Hi there, I'm Irfan. Cordially welcome to my channel. Let's talk about impact of social media on youth. Social media is an integral part of everyone's life today, especially youth of today. It impacts them both positively and negatively. It is easier to make friends on social media sites, and in fact, it has changed the entire idea of making friends. Education in social media plays its valuable part. Never before have students be able to help each other in just an instant way with educational queries, school tips, project advice, and exam preparation. On the other hand, social media can have a negative impact on youth as well. As with TV and games, it's quite possible to become addicted to these sites so that they become glued to the internet for hours, checking their accounts by account, neglecting their studies. This extreme use of this technology affects the productivity, mental health, and physical health. Social media has both good and bad impact on youth. Youth today must be educated to learn about this use and taught them the positive and negative impact of their actions. That's all. Thanks for listening my words.